This is a quick video showing how to install the GrenadierUSA transfer case shifter knob. I'm doing this at home and I forgot all my tools at the shop. So I'm going to use just some random stuff I found around the house, which is probably similar to what many of you would be doing, putting this on your car. I do recommend a plastic trim tool. You can get a set on Amazon for probably $10, $12. And it's just a variety of thin little plastic pry bars. And it'll do a much better job of removing this ball and separating these two pieces. Because if you use a flathead screwdriver like I've done in the past, you will get just a little bit of damage around this parting line between these two pieces. And if you ever put this back on, you might see that. I will say that there are 8 tabs that hold these two things together. And you know, sometimes you take a thing apart, like a plastic thing apart, and there's like one little clip, maybe 2. This has 8. So it's really hard to get it apart without causing some sort of marring on here. But take a look at that. Maybe if you squeeze it or use a plastic pry bar, you can just take your time and get it off successfully. This one I did scratch up, as you'll see in the video. What you'll need for tools are a 2.5mm hex key, a 2mm hex key. You're going to need some sort of pry tool. I ended up using just a real thin flathead screwdriver, and I found an old pair of channel locks, an old pair of pliers that you can use, and that's simply just to grip onto this white plastic locking mechanism. Needle nose pliers work great. Channel locks work. You can do it with your hands. You just have to be able to grip it well enough to just lift it straight up. It comes up pretty easy. So I have my Dexter dress code gloves on, and I'm going to zoom in on this thing and kind of show you guys how it goes together. I'm going to start by taking a look at this seam and just trying to get something in here. This is where a plastic trim tool would be a better choice. There are maybe like a dozen little clips inside this, little tabs holding this all together. And it is a total pain to get this thing apart. So once you get it off once, it's not that big a deal. But the first time is totally a pain in the ass. I've taken these off of probably, I don't know, maybe half a dozen vehicles so far. A couple of them just came right off. A couple of them were a little difficult, and a couple of them were very, very difficult. It just depends on how well this is all snapped together. And let me tell you, this one is going to be one of the difficult ones, I think. There we go. So this has a bunch of tabs on it. And so you just need to very gently get between these two and pop them apart without damaging this. Because you don't want, if you ever want to put this back on, you want it to look good. And then the next step is to remove this. And these are the only pliers I have here at home, but that's it. This just pulls out. Then this, you want to twist and then pull up. Next, you'll take our adapter and put that on and twist till it's locked on. Then take our key and drop it in. Then take the 4mm bolt, drop this in, And then you can take this, that's it. See these two set screw holes? Those turn it tight all the way and then spin it to where you want it. That's where you get your 2mm key. And I'll line this up with what you think it's going to look good. If you have any other questions, head over to our website and shoot us an email or reach out to us through the Contact Us form on our website. And we're happy to answer any questions you have.